Unlock the secrets of the legendary $2001 coin. Discover its hidden history, its unique designs, its collectible value, and the untold stories that make this coin a true treasure for rare American coin lovers. Now let us go deep into the story of the $1 coin issued in the year 2000. A coin that marked an important shift in American numismatics because it carried both symbolism and innovation. This coin belongs to the Sacagawea dollar series, which was first introduced in the year 2000 after years of attempts to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar that was never truly embraced by the American public. The Sacagawea coin was envisioned as a fresh start for the $1 denomination, and it reflected a new identity for American currency. The origins of the $2001 coin can be traced to the efforts of the United States Mint during the 1990s, when the Anthony dollar was found to be unpopular because its size and color made it too similar to the quarter dollar, leading to confusion in daily transactions. Congress passed the United States Dollar Coin Act of 1997, which required the Mint to design and produce a new dollar coin that would be distinctive in appearance and that would circulate more successfully than its predecessor. The chosen design was to honor Sacagawea, the young Shoshone woman who guided the Lewis and Clark expedition and became a symbol of courage, strength, and the contribution of Native Americans to American history. The coin debuted in January 2000 and immediately stood out from earlier issues. It was golden in color due to its unique composition of a manganese brass clad, which included copper, zinc, manganese, and nickel, creating a distinctive yellow tone that was resistant to tarnish, while also helping the coin avoid being mistaken for a quarter in size and feel the obverse of the coin. Was designed by Glenna Goodacre, an accomplished sculptor whose artwork depicted Sacagawea in a three-quarter profile carrying her infant son Jean-Baptiste on her back. The depiction was inspired by the importance of motherhood and heritage. The reverse design was crafted by Thomas D. Rogers, and it showed a soaring bald eagle surrounded by 17 stars, which represented the 17 states in the Union at the time of the Lewis and Clark expedition. Production of the 2000 Sacagawea dollar was done at multiple minting facilities, primarily Philadelphia and Denver, with proof issues being struck at San Francisco. The coin carried the P or D mint mark. Depending on its origin, in total, more than 1 billion Sacagawea dollars were minted in the year 2000, because the mint was optimistic that the new coin would gain popularity, however. Although the design was praised and the coin was heavily promoted, including a famous partnership with General Mills, where the dollar coin was included in Cheerios cereal boxes, the public was still reluctant to adopt it in everyday circulation. Instead, most coins ended up in collectors' hands or in storage by the Federal Reserve. The Cheerios promotion itself became legendary in coin collecting history because the coins distributed in the cereal boxes included an early strike reverse pattern for the eagle that showed detailed tail feathers which differed from the mass-produced version. These Cheerios dollars became highly valuable and collectible because of their rarity, with only a few thousand known to exist today. The coin also represented an important cultural moment for the United States, as it was the first regularly circulating U.S. coin to honor a Native American woman and to acknowledge the role of indigenous peoples in the exploration and development of the nation. This symbolism extended the coin beyond its monetary purpose, making it a work of art, a cultural milestone, and an object of historical significance. Collectors of rare American coins often study the 2000 Sacagawea dollar for its minting variations, errors, and special editions. There are notable examples including coins struck on wrong planchets, experimental rinse treatments that created different tones and proof, issues that were made in limited numbers. The Mint also experimented with different finishes, including satin and burnished surfaces that were later adopted in special collector sets. The story of the $2001 coin continues beyond its release year because it established the Sacagawea dollar program, which ran until 2008 before evolving into the Native American dollar program beginning in 2009 in which the reverse design was changed annually to honor various contributions of Native American tribes and individuals to the United States. The obverse with Sacagawea remained constant, ensuring continuity, while the reverse became a storytelling canvas each year. This coin also provides a valuable lesson in American monetary history because it shows the challenge of introducing new denominations to a public accustomed to paper currency. The dollar coin in 2000 was intended to replace the $1 bill, but political opposition and public resistance prevented this shift from happening. Americans simply preferred the convenience and familiarity of paper money, even though coins are more durable and cost-effective for the government. If we examine the numismatic history in depth, we find that the 2001 dollar coin bridges the gap between the failures of the Anthony dollar and the ongoing attempts to make a circulating dollar coin viable. It was bold, innovative, and culturally meaningful, but despite heavy promotion and widespread minting, it never truly gained circulation traction. However, it became a cornerstone for collectors and remains a fascinating study in both artistry and economics. When we look at the value of the coin today, most circulated examples are only worth face value, but uncirculated coins, proofs, and especially the Cheerios variety, can command high premiums at auctions. A Cheerios dollar, for instance, can sell for thousands of dollars, depending on condition, while rare minting errors can also bring in significant value, making this coin not only a piece of history, but also a potential treasure for those who discover one in their collection. The 2001 dollar coin therefore stands as a unique chapter in American coinage. It represents innovation, symbolism, culture, and the ongoing experiment of the U.S. Mint to adapt currency to modern needs. While also preserving history and heritage in metal form, it remains a coin of beauty, significance, and great storytelling value, and its journey from conception to circulation and finally to collectible status is one of the richest tales in the field of numismatics.